To work as a nurse in the United Kingdom, you need these documents. To work as a nurse in the UK if you're from India, follow these steps. 1. NMC registration, register with the Nursing and Midwifery Council, NMC. 2. English proficiency, pass either the IELTS or IT exam. 3. CBT exam, pass the computer-based test, CBT. 4. Documentation, submit necessary documents like your nursing degree, experience, identity proof, and a criminal background check. 5. Visa, obtain a Tier 2 visa with a certificate of sponsorship, COS. 6. Exam, complete the Objective Structured Clinical Examination, OSCE, after moving to the UK. 7. NMC PIN, after passing S, receive your NMC PIN to work as a registered nurse. The NHS often supports visa costs and relocation assistance. Prerequisites for Indian nurses to work in the UK: be a certified nurse. Your nursing degree and at least 1 year of experience in a nursing capacity are required. Be able to speak English. Firstly, you must demonstrate your ability to speak, read, and write fluently in English. Having the capacity to communicate effectively with patients and co-workers is a must for anyone hoping to work in the healthcare industry in the UK. You can test your English proficiency in one of two ways: IELTS, International English Language Testing System, or IT, Occupational English Test. Choosing which test to take is a matter of personal preference, as there are significant distinctions between them. There are many factors to consider while deciding which test to take, IELTS or IT. IELTS has many versions, and you must ensure that the one you choose is appropriate for entering the UK as a healthcare professional. Complete your job interview. When your IELTS or IT results are in, your nursing agency in the UK will set up an interview via Skype or another video platform. This is your chance to show why you'd be a good fit for a nursing position in the UK and to ask any questions you may have regarding the application process. Take and pass the computer-based exam, CBT. You must be registered with the Nursing and Midwifery Council in order to practice as a nurse in Britain, NMC. A computer-based test, CBT, is required for registration, which can be taken at any of the many test centres worldwide. Computerized multiple-choice questions are used in the exam, which consists of 120 questions. You'll have 4 hours to finish the exam. For the NMC, provide papers. NMC is looking into whether you're a good fit for a job in UK nursing, and they will ask you to provide a variety of documents. Once the NMC has received all of the required documentation, you should expect to wait up to 60 working days for a decision letter. Ensure that the NHS Trust receives your personal information. Learn about visa expenses. Family members' visas are not usually covered by the Trust. Plan your travel arrangements. Your new life awaits you in the United Kingdom, so pack your suitcases. Book your flights and get ready to fly to the UK. A representative will meet you at the airport and take you to your lodging. You'll also receive a welcome packet, which includes a map of the area, important phone numbers, and more. You will subsequently be enrolled in the NHS Trust and commence as training. Accomplish the Objective Structured Clinical Examination, OSCE. The Objective Structured Clinical Examination, OSCE, is the second stage of NMC registration requirements. The test simulates some of the healthcare situations that nurses and midwives in the NHS are likely to experience while providing care to patients. For this, there are 6 stations in which nurses and midwives are tested on their knowledge and grasp of the assessment process as well as their ability to organize, implement, and evaluate patient care. Finale stations assess clinical expertise. Each NHS trust will have a different training schedule for this. A third attempt is permitted at your own expense if your first 2 paid attempts to pass the exam are unsuccessful. After 3 unsuccessful tries, you must return to your native nation. As a result, your world strongly advises delaying the relocation of any family members to the UK until after you have passed the IS. Obtain your NMC PIN number. If you pass the IS, you will be registered with the Nursing and Midwifery Council and assigned an NMC Personal Identification Number, PIN. Your professional nursing career as a registered nurse, RGN, in the United Kingdom will officially begin.
सीधे रास्ते पर चलकर ही सफलता मिलेगी।